In today's video, we will learn to create a 3D illusionistic triangle on Illustrator. To begin, we create a three-sided polygon, which is a triangle. Increase the size. Shift it to the center and create its outline. Make sure the fill color is none. Set the stroke thickness to 60 points. Now, go to Object, Path and select the outline stroke. This converts your line into an object. Now using the pen tool, you create a straight line by holding the Shift key. Change the stroke color so it is visible and fill color as none. Using the selection tool, you can now select the line, then right click on the line and select transform rotate. Set the angle to 120 and click copy. Adjust the duplicate line to the right of the smaller triangle. Repeat the step by right clicking the baseline, transform and rotate it to 60 degrees. Click copy and now adjust the line to the left of the smaller triangle. Select all the lines and object by pressing the alphabet A on your keyboard. Now go to the Windows menu and click the Pathfinder command. Using the divide tool on the Pathfinder, you have now cut the main object from lines marked areas. Let's give the object a black outline. I'm reducing the size because I want to use the other side. Now ungroup the triangle by right clicking on the object. Then select 1, 2, 3, 4. Pressing Shift key on your keyboard and hold Alt key to create a copy. Then go to Pathfinder and click a Unite button to join the shapes. Again click the 3, 4, 1, 2. Pressing Shift key and holding Alt to create a copy. Place it on the base top. Unite the shapes. And give it an outline color. And change the fill color. Again, you will repeat the same, selecting 1, 2, 3, 4. Pressing Shift key for multiple selections and Alt to create a copy. Place it on the base top of the blue piece and unite it from Pathfinder. Change the color. I am just changing the dark blue to pastel blue. As you can see, there are missing parts. So we will click, hold and drag the objects to the respective missing areas. Please note, I am holding the Alt key to create a copy. Top to the top, base right to the base right. And base left to the base left. Now select the yellow with Shift key and then unite from Pathfinder. We will repeat the same with the green as well. There's a gap between, so right click and ungroup. Shift the object inside using arrow keys and unite again. And the same with blue. Select the complete created triangle using selection tools and resize it. Select the reference and press delete key. Now select all and group it together by pressing Ctrl key with alphabet G. Then go to Align and align it horizontally and vertically to the center of the page. To give it a background, you can use the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the page. Right click on it, go to Arrange and Send to Back to bring all the objects on the front. You can also change the color of the background by double click on the fill color box. Choose the color of your choice and click OK. You finally have your 3D illusionistic triangle ready to use.